this is Liz. Welcome to Fabric Friday. Not actually a tuition one this week. So welcome to my messy room. As I probably told you before, I like to have different projects at different stages. So if I feel like quilting, I can do that. If I feel like piecing, I can do that. Whichever I want, but with having several projects on the go means I've got lots of baskets around that I've got in them the things that I need for that project. So it is quite messy in here at times. It's not too bad at the moment, but I'll tell you what I've got on the go, which is the chain tigers, drunken skulls, on my quilting frame that I need to finish quilting and I don't feel like doing it at the moment. A patchwork top that I'm going to quilt up as another wall hanging for my stairs. On my cutting desk I have got a project for Irene in various stages. Those chickens that I showed you last week. But I'm thinking I want to do pieced work again because I don't like piecing. So I'm thinking of an actual full-size bed quilt. I'll bring it over in a moment and show you the colours that I have picked out. There's two and I can't decide which one to have and make it up in. I've got an idea of a pattern in my head, so that's what I've got. I have also pulled out here all the cotton batiks that I've got, and I could do a Lone Star in those because they're multicoloured and there's 5 of them. But I think I might be doing a little table topper, but I'll just show you the colours that I've picked out at the moment. If you'll make these out all right. This is one batch, which is the background will be a plain cream, and this, because it's got basically the colours of everything else in it, that might go as a border for it. And I think all these other colours go together so I can use them in the patchwork. So that's one colourways. I mean, I've got loads of this, so I could always put that in the border instead. So that's one colourway. It's your shopping my stash. White background. And these are sort of purple lilacs with a flash of pink in it. And this, I've got plenty of this, so I could put a border in this as well as using it in the patchwork, so it'll tie it in nicely. So I've got that colour scheme as well, because I've had enough of doing blue quilts. I think I've done quite a few blue ones this year, but I'm going to do a little table runner, I think, at the moment. Well, not table runner, table topper at the moment, because I can't decide on which of those 3 to do. Either this one, the gold brown on cream, or me batik Lone Star. Put me a comment down below which you think is the better colour colourway of doing it, because if I use this or the brownie gold one, I know the pattern that I'm going to do for these, and I've not done it before, but I know the idea of how I want it to look. The batiks are Lone Star, which I've done before anyway, and I don't particularly like repeating what I've done, but that's my 3 options. It's only a quick one this week. Bye.